Now I will tell you about some of the important advantages of the EMBOSE01 cold rolling mill, which is one of the most basic wrought iron machines. The machine has a very powerful engine. With its 7.5 kilowatt motor and conic gear reducer, you can cold roll even thick iron. The machine offers a processing area of 100 mm by 100 mm, so you can roll any size. If you wish, 11 or 15 kilowatt motors are offered as an option. The machine has two different operating modes. While making adjustments in manual mode, you can produce abundantly in automatic mode. Speed control unit is offered as an option on the machine. You can use it as a ramp during takeoffs and adjust without tiring the engine. The machine has an emergency button for emergencies. At the same time, the electric motor is always under protection thanks to the motor protection relay. If we talk about the dies that come with the machine, you will get the flat, square and profile corner forging die sets free of charge. Square and molding irons are rolled in the same die set. In addition, clamp form die set, square channel engraving set and 4-line roll molds come with the machine with free of charge. The molds are made of 2379 German steel, subjected to heat treatment hardening and cementation. It has 2 tempers as standard. You can use it for years without any problems. If you need a new mold, we are always here. Molds have a very long life. With a set of 4 dies, you can roll 200 tons of flat bar, square iron bars. Considering that you will buy 3 main sets of molds, this corresponds to 600 tons. It is impossible not to mention the patterned die rollers. Order the model you want from hundreds of varieties. When you buy the machine, a patterned mold model with 2 different designs will be sent to you by email free of charge. So, if you wish, you can have these molds made in your own place. Instead of the molds that come with the machine, if you have different mold needs, we offer free exchange. If you have a favorite color, we paint the machines in the color combination you want free of charge. Your machine should not be damaged during international shipping. We insure the machines free of charge. The use of wrought iron cold rolling machine provides an unrivaled advantage to your business in order to get ahead of your competitors, expand your wrought iron product portfolio, and produce models with aesthetic and visual value. Contact us. Request a quote now.